we get to the video, you guys always ask me where I get my sunglasses, and these are Blenders eyewear sunglasses, and I have the link in the description below for you guys if you want to support the channel. Plus I have a 15% discount code as well. All right guys, let's get back to the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. As you know, I have two bad O2 sensors, and today I'm going to replace them. As you can see, I have my brand new O2 sensors. The one that I'm going to replace are bank 1 sensor 2 and bank 2 sensor 2. Now what you have to do is go inside. Let me just show you. So what we're gonna do is pull the seat all the way back. Then we're gonna have to remove those door panels like this and this trim right here. Then we have to pull the carpet because the O2 sensor is connected right here, and then it's the same thing on the driver side, but the driver side will be a little bit harder because of the gas pedal. And then after that I'll jack the car up, and then I'll remove the old ones and then install the new ones. Now once you get here, there's this clips here you have to lift to free the carpet, and it's 3 of them. And then once you get to here, you just gonna not have to pull the carpet back, but there's a bunch of little staples here. It's like right here, as you can see. I don't know if the camera is showing it. I'm not going to rip this off. What I'm gonna do is use a flathead to just lift those up, so when I put the carpet back, I can just put it right there again and stay put on back. I'm sure there's way more as you go through, so that's what we're gonna do now. All right guys, I get to this point right here and find that this carpet is actually not only that there's the staples right here, but it's actually glued to this plastic trim here. So what I did is drop that panel and unplug that connector right here. This is just there's a light right here. So now what I'm going to do is pull the carpet back, so I don't think I have to mess with this at all. I think if I just pull it from here, go all the way to there, I'll be fine because the connector it's right here. Okay guys, just like that, I pulled this back a little bit. Now take your time because the carpet, it's hard, it's soft. I didn't want to mess with anything here, so I just lift it here. As you can see, this is the connector right here, and it goes all the way down here. Let me grab a flashlight to show you. It's right there. That's where it is. So now all I have to do is do the same thing to the driver side, and then I'll put the car on the jack stand, and then we'll go come here. All right guys, we're on the driver's side right now. As you can see, I removed the panels right here, but it seems like the driver's side is not gonna be that hard. Maybe I have to remove that tray so I can get to here, but other than that, all I have to do is pull the carpet, because the connector is right here. So I'm gonna try to remove that tray here so I can pull the carpet back.
2,000 years later.
All right guys, I got it out. I mean, this was hard to get by the gas pedal. You just have to take your time and do it slowly, and I tried to drop this down, but I couldn't. I did, but there's a lot of wires connected to it. I didn't wanna go to all that. So yeah, now it's on the side. The only thing now I have to do is to jack the car up and then get these things off. All right guys, just like that, I got them loose. It took me like not even 30 seconds. Last time when I was installing the exhaust, this thing will not come off even though I spray it. I don't know if it's because when I installed the exhaust, so it's been like at least 10 months, so it's not as hard as it used to. So I just sprayed it last night and then it just came right off. But it seems like I have to disconnect it from the inside first, and then I'll trap it, and then I'll take them off. All right guys, the connector is right here, so all you have to do is unplug it from here, and you're gonna have to go all the way down here. It's right there, and try to push this on underneath, and I think after that, that's it. I'm just I need both of my hands to disconnect this, so I will put the camera down. It's not hard. As you can see, the top is right here. You just push it down and pull, and just like that, I disconnected. And now all I have to do, there's a rubber piece here. I don't know if you can see. Let me put the lights there. You just pinch this and then you drop it down. That's it. As you can see, it's going down on the hole. Now it'll be on the ground. As you can see, it's here. Now you just have to go to the driver side and do the same thing, and then all you gotta do is unscrew this, and then yeah, that's it. Okay guys, this is the old O2 sensors. As you can see, they look really dark, and these are the new one. Of course, I had them from Lexus, and this is the part number. And the good thing is you don't have to put anti-seize in the corner right here. It's all already come with it, which is good. Now all I have to do is just install these, and then we'll be all set. As you can see, these are nice and fresh and clean and clear, and these are super dark. If you watch my last video, these had no signal at all. Alright guys, as you can see, I installed the new auto sensor. This is the passenger side bank 2. So as you can see, it's already up here. So now all I have to do is just plug it, and then we'll do the same thing for the driver side. Okay guys, just like that, I installed the new auto sensors. Now all I have to do is put everything back, then I'll start the car and drive it, and then I'll test the auto sensors. Now you know this isn't hard. The same way you pull this out is the same way you put them back in. So I'm not going to show that whole thing in the video. It's just put the carpet back and those trims, and you'll be all set. Okay guys, just like that, we are done. I installed the new auto sensors. Now what I have to do is go drive the car, because they're brand new auto sensors. I have to drive the car around, and then I'll test the auto sensors, and then I'll clear the code. Alright guys, if you are new to the channel and you like what you see, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Perfect.